back to my channel. Today we're in Jordan's room and we're gonna be tackling Jordan's dresser. I've been meaning to start decluttering the whole house, but it's a little overwhelming. I wasn't sure where to start, so I figured I would start here. With Jordan's dresser, it's a good start. It's something that's tangible and easy for me to do. He's outgrown of some of the clothes that it'll be easy to take those clothes and get rid of them, either donate them or put them into storage. And I figured that would give me a good head start into tackling the rest of the house, room by room, hopefully. So maybe I'll make a bit of a series of this, of decluttering and organizing different parts of the house. But for today, we're gonna be doing Jordan's dresser. I've been using like a more traditional way of folding clothes to put things away, but I wanna try using the Konmari method of folding, which I think it's called the vertical or filing fold, something like that. I wanna see, I'm curious. I've heard that you can gain more space and things are more easy to see what you have because everything's stacked up next to each other, so you can kind of see what you have better and things don't get lost at the bottom. So I'm gonna try refolding everything and we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna start by taking everything out, putting it on Jordan's bed and seeing what fits him, what doesn't fit him, get rid of those things, and then I'll go on to start organizing all his clothes and folding them. This is what we're starting with. I need to put something there. I'm gonna write something on Jordan's board. But as I've been doing laundry, I've been kind of sorting out clothes that don't fit him anymore. Some of them I'm gonna donate, some I'd like to keep for sentimental reasons. It's very plain. We haven't decorated his room yet. We just moved in a few months ago, so we're slowly working towards the whole house. This is a picture we took in Florida on our baby moon when I was pregnant to Jordan. So let's start with seeing what's in the drawers. So in the first drawer here, the highest one, I kind of have a mixture of like thermometers, grooming things like nail clippers and different things like that. I gotta go through it and organize it. There's some masks here that somebody gave to us, but they're still a little too big. So I'm gonna keep those there until he's grown into those. And then the second drawer here is where we keep all our diapers. And I love these IKEA drawer dividers. They're awesome. I had one set when we first bought this IKEA drawer before Jordan was born. I just bought another one and I'm gonna see if it's needed to organize the drawers better. In this drawer, I have his tops. Some of them don't fit him. We have pajamas back here. And then in this one, oh, you know, you have too many undershirts when when you can't open the drawer. So I gotta go through all these undershirts, see if they all fit him. Got some sets here of clothes. I gotta go through that. Tuck that back in. Oop, not fitting. All right, we gotta deal with that. And then over here, we've got some more clothes, some pants, tops. Gotta see what fits, what doesn't fit. Shoes, a lot of baby shoes here that obviously don't fit him anymore. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with that. So either donate them, keep them, put them down in the basement. And then he's got these little cubbies here with his socks and some more outfits here that I gotta go through. At the bottom, we just have some towels, sheets, swaddles. And on this side, we have some blankets, some underwear. I gotta wash these. I think Jordan's ready to be potty trained, so I gotta wash these and get into the potty train. I've been avoiding it, but I gotta do that. And yeah, so I'm gonna go through all of these, see what I can get rid of. And what I'm thinking is I'm gonna do undershirts in one area, and then I might do a separate section for sets. So like things that have pants and tops, so I know they go together, even though I like to mix and match sometimes. I think I might do that. Too many undershirts. It's a problem. This is everything that was in the drawers. I'm gonna go through everything, see what fits, what doesn't fit. This is the IKEA organizer that I got an extra of. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it in Jordan's room. I might use it in the baby's room if it's not needed here, because I already have one set. It might be enough, it might not be. I'm gonna see. Zoe and Jordan have joined us, and I've started a pile over there of things I'm going to be donating and things I'm going to be throwing out. But I'm moving on to pants right now. I didn't realize he had so many pairs of jeans. Actually, yesterday, Dave and I went to the store to get Jordan some pairs of pants, and we're wondering if we should get some jeans. I'm glad we didn't, because he has a lot of jeans. A friend of ours was really nice to give us her little boy's little clothes, because he had outgrown them. So he had a lot of clothes, and so now Jordan has a lot of clothes. Okay. Yeah. I've gone through all the onesies, and these are the ones that actually fit him, so I'm going to keep those, and I'm going to go ahead and fold them in. I think I'm going to line them up in this little size here. I have a pile of short sleeve, long sleeve, thicker, and here I have sets that I'm gonna try and fold together so they're as one, or I might just leave them in a pile like this. I kind of don't mind this. So I'm gonna see how folding these come out, and if I prefer to do it like this, or if I want to do the Konmari folding way. I want to try and keep the outfits together, so pants and tops together, so I know that they're set. And I have the option of either keeping it like this, like stacked one on top of each other, the top and the pants, like I always have, or doing it like this, so it's combined. I'll show you how to do it combined. I think I'm leaning though towards just keeping it like that, just because I feel like I'm gonna forget what kind of pants are inside the top if I do combine it like this. So for example, this one here, if I unfold it, you see it's some great pants, but I feel like personally I would forget what's inside. So I think I'm just gonna keep it like that, and yeah, but I'm still gonna show you guys how to fold the combined method because it's nice to have it all together. And I figured this is a good way also to pack outfits for when you're traveling. I think that would be a good idea too. I just finished Jordan's pajamas, putting those away, and I still have to do sheets, blankets, and swaddles, but I'm almost done. I'm so excited. So this is the final result of what I was able to declutter from Jordan's dresser. I can't believe all these things were stuffed into the dresser. Mind you, some of these, like this pile here, is the clothes that were sitting on top of his dresser, but that's a lot of clothes that I was able to get rid of. So I'm going to be donating this pile here. And this pile here, I'm going to keep for sentimental reasons. There's a couple of things that Zoe can wear when she's a little bit older, so I'm going to hold on to that. So I'm going to move on to clearing off the dresser, wiping it down, and putting a little note on Jordan's board right here. Soarese kapi mo? Soarese? Θα τα αφήσουμε εκεί, δεν είναι για να το πάρεις. Σ' αρέσει?
Ναι, το πάρεις.
Wow.
Το πάρεις.
So here's the finished product. I'm going to go through all the drawers and show you guys what's inside of them and what my thinking was in organizing in the way it is right now. So I left all his toiletries things here and his medicine. I like that it's out of reach for him. So until now, he's not tall enough to reach inside there. So I like to keep that there, and it's easy for us, easy access, but not for him. Here I have the diapers, and we started using pull-ups. So I put some pull-ups in here, and eventually I'm gonna just be having pull-ups and little underwear in here when he starts potty training. And in this one, we have all his shirts. So we have his short sleeve shirts, long sleeve, and some more long sleeve ones. There's some more shirts in the wash that I'm going to be putting in there. And back here I have the little underwear that he's going to be using when he starts potty training. In this drawer, we have all our socks and undershirts. So when we dress them in the morning or after a shower, it's easy. We can just grab some socks and undershirts, and away we go. Down here we have all his pants, all his jeans on this side. And these are more or less the pants he wears on a daily basis, with some more tops, the thicker long sleeve tops that we have here. And then on this side, we have all his blankets, swaddles that I'm still using for Zoe, the baby, some extra sheets and mattress protectors, and some more baby towels. And guys, I have essentially a whole drawer that's empty. I saved up so much space. I love seeing that. In this drawer, I have the Catan, the baby carrier. And this is a little pouch that I bought online that you can put over the grocery cart, and the baby can sit in there, so it's nice and clean and you don't have to worry about them touching the dirty cart. So that's a really cool find. But yeah, I'm so inspired to keep on going. So there you have it. I'm done organizing. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. I wasn't expecting to have so much extra room. I knew it was going to be less stuff in there, but I didn't expect to be able to get rid of so many things and have some extra space. That's my goal with the house. I want to declutter as much as I can and just keep things simple and have it make it easier for myself to be able to clean up and keep up with things. I like the way it turned out. I know exactly what's in there. There's nothing hidden in the back that I'm gonna forget about. I hope this video inspired you guys to declutter a little bit and maybe organize some space in your house that you've been meaning to do for a while. As you saw, it doesn't have to be the entire house all together the same day. That's not realistic. Start small, just like this dresser. I just started doing this dresser. So we're able to get rid of so many things, and now somebody else is going to be able to benefit from the clothes that don't fit Jordan anymore. Really, this was a great project. It's inspired me to do more rooms in the house. So I'm going to start working room by room and getting rid of what I can and organizing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to hear from you guys. If you can leave a comment down below of what you've been meaning to tackle at your house. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.